friends, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you a organizational update. So as you all saw, hopefully you saw, we finished painting this wall here, and then we painted that wall, and then we painted this wall over here, and we've moved this in there. And I moved this back here temporarily because I'm going to put shelves up here and get rid of that bookshelf. I've moved this desk from the middle of the room over under the window since the calyx cubes are in the closet. And then I am going to wallpaper this wall. But it's going to be a little bit because my husband is still working, so I have to do it on the weekend. But the next couple weekends, I already have plans. So what I am working on today is I'm wanting to clear off these desks here. I have these little different piles. So I'm going to be going through and organizing and putting this stuff away. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing today. Plus I'm going to do a little journaling as well, because I think I'll have some motivation to do that. When I get working on a project, I get so focused, it's like all I want to do is work on that project. So I've basically been working on getting this room painted and now getting it back organized again. I've put these two back in here, but the other table that I had over here, I've gotten rid of that. And then I brought this old lamp in from another bedroom to give me some additional light. Because in the night, at night, it gets a little bit dark in here. So I still have my ribbons back here. They're probably going to stay back there. I think that's just an okay location for them. So the other thing my husband's going to do in here is going to build me some shelves to sit on top of these calyx cubes. And so a lot of this stuff that I have here and up here will go into those shelves, plus a lot of other things. So right now up here I have my fabrics, my sewing patterns, and then over here I have my fall and some Christmas stuff up there. And then I hung my signs in here. Oh, that was a good place to store them, and the templates are hidden behind them. And then I have a lot of my blank frames on this side, and then I have some blank frames over on this side. So I'm slowly making some progress. Sorry for the shaky phone. But yeah, so I'm going to continue to work on these last little bits and getting all that cleaned up. And then we're going to get some shelves built on this wall as well. So I'm excited about that. I want to have stuff up off the floor, so that's why I'm going with the shelves. And so I think I'm also going to have him build 1 or 2 shelves here. And then, like I said, we'll have some shelves over here. All right, that's just the update. And if I have any other little organizational updates as I go through cleaning off these desktops, I will come back on. If not, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys. Love ya. Hey friends, I thought I would jump back on here and give you a quick little update today. So I feel so good now. I got this all cleaned off and dusted, and I had these lace in little boxes just sitting on this desk here, and I had my paints in there, and I swapped them out and they fit really well, so I'm excited about that. And then I have my lace scraps in here. I did have some Cricut tools and stuff, so I moved that elsewhere. And then I have my bigger rolls that won't fit on that wooden shelf on the wall down in here. So these are still just paper scraps that I need to go through. I have, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably have like 6 different bins of scraps. So I want to try to figure out a better way to organize those. And then I've cleaned this off here. I've cleaned this off here. So that looks so much better. And then I've cleaned off and organized my desk here. And it looks so much better. Those are my different journals that I work in for different things. That is a little bin of things I either need to do a video on or I'm currently working on projects and things. And I use this tiered tray to store things that I use close at hand, glues, pens, things like that, jewelry stuff. And I have my scissors, so that all works well. So projects I still have left to do. So these tubs down here, one of them is scraps. Again, it's another one I need to somehow organize my scraps. This top one is stickers. And then I have those 2 binders over there, and that tub is stickers. So I want to either put all of them into binders. I'm going to figure out how I want to store my stickers. This is my plant journal, so I need to do some updating in my plant and flower journal. I have all of my journal making supplies down there. And so, as I said, this whole shelf is going to go away. So these items are going to go up on shelves and out of the way. So I need to find some storage container for my napkins and my doilies. And then this here is all Disney stuff. And it's either Disney papers or it's Disney ephemera. So I want to kind of go through those and consolidate and combine that. This is my little bag that if I'm going to go out and do some journaling and stuff like that, I made that. So it's my little bag. And then I have these 2 stacks of books that I need to put away. And then I ordered some of these magazine holders, and I'm thinking of using those to store some of my scraps. So I'm feeling better. I still have a lot of stuff in the other bedroom, like my Cricut stuff and my current projects and some other ephemera pieces and things like that. But I really need to get my shelves up before I can bring those back in here. So I am just going to leave those in the other room, and as we get shelves up, and then I'll work on that. Down underneath the desk is a big box of picture frames, those, and then that small box, and that's just going to stay there for now. I'm probably going to move it into the closet in the spare bedroom, but for now it's fine there. It's not in the way. And then that Daiso bag, I need to go through that and decide if I want to make a journal out of that or use some of that bag for tags, etc., things like that. The other thing that I did is down here, try to move slowly, is I put all of my playing cards in one drawer. I had them in 3 different locations, so I like that I have all of that in here. And I think that is the most of the update. Try not to move too quickly for you all. I'm probably going to be moving my glitter to somewhere else and repurpose those shelves or get rid of them. And so I need to decide on all that before we wallpaper. I'm keeping this, so this will go back up after we wallpaper, and then these shelves will go back up after we wallpaper. And then I need to decide on these. I'm thinking about keeping them now that I've figured out that they hold my ribbons pretty well. So yeah, so now I think I might sit down and do a little bit of journaling. But I wanted to kind of give you all an update. It feels so good, doesn't it, when you get the tops of your desk cleaned off? Only to mess them up again. But, you know, that's what we do. And I love sitting here and kind of and looking out the window, enjoying the view. So that's lovely. And I also have a really nice view of the backyard as well. All right, guys, this is see you later till next time for real, and catch y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.